standing right here over 60 years ago, you'd be standing in the middle of an orange grove. One visionary man stood right where you are now, but instead of orange trees, he envisioned a magic kingdom. This man's name was Walt Disney, and his dream would be called Disneyland.
It has been said that as long as there is imagination left in the world, Disneyland will never be complete.
Let's show them just how magical this place can be! Come on, everybody, here we go!
Where you can dream aloud, your heart will follow.
Get up and sing, the moment's here and now.
Inside we all know if we believe in the fantasy, it will carry us away, carry us away.
Come on, Margie, step in hard! Step in hard! Step in hard! Step in hard, 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 step in hard. Kick it inside! Kick it inside, step in hard, kick it inside, step in hard, step in hard, step in hard. Like a birdie! Step in hard! Step in hard! Now that I see you, now that I see you. I'm so wrongly in my troubling time to mention early luncheon. Dum-dum-dum. Slide, they come, ones and twos, but if they're so choose
the summit of Mount Wanahakaluni to join with us in the fraternal bonds of Tangled. If you are able to swim through the ring of fire.
He's just a boy!
Snow goes white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. Candlelight isolation, and it looks like I'm a queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep you in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't fear. Don't let them know. No, not let it go. Let it go. Let it go. I don't want to wake up in that sky. Let it go. Let it go. You'll never see it never bother me anyway.
As Walt Disney said, Disneyland will never be complete. And as the future will show us, with enough imagination, it will continue to build and grow on one enduring promise, that all who journey into its magical gates will feel forever young. And the magic, as Walt assured us, will never end.